Hello friends of the internet, and wizards, and witches, and muggles, and squibs like. I'm Alex, and today's September 1st, and on September 1st, Hogwarts goes back to school. So I thought, why not do a Hogwarts inspired makeup look? So I'm going to be using all the colours of all the houses and sort of replicate the Hogwarts school emblem kind of on my eyes. So I'll just pop that somewhere so we can know what I'm on about. And yeah, so I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, so this is something that I'm quite excited to do, and I think maybe I'll want to do more Harry Potter sort of inspired things as well. But yeah, so I've got my homemade bag here, got a bit of Bellatrix and Ron and Harry Potter vinyls down here, and I've got my Keep the Secrets badge on from the Cursed Child play, and I've got a little Slytherin pin here because it's house pride. I also have a Slytherin tie, but it just doesn't really go with my getup here, but yeah. But yeah, if you want to see what sort of Hogwarts inspired makeup look I come up with, you better stick around. So first I'm going to start with some primer. So I'm just going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Pore Blur. And next I'm going to go in with foundation, and today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. No, I think this one's actually like a bit light for my skin tone, but you know, it's alright. We'll work with it. And I'm just going to use my brush to blend that all in. Yeah, so foundation's all on, and yeah, to me, at least this is looking kind of pale and weird and scary, but that's just because I'm working with what I got. So to sort of combat that and to kind of just set it all in, I'm going to be going in with my Nude by Nature Natural Mineral colour. So I'm just going to pop some of that on. So now that the base is all done, I'm going to go in for my eyebrows. So I'm just going to zoom you in a little bit closer and we can do that. Awesome. So today I am going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Just to, yeah, do my eyebrows. So I'm going to do that. And so eyebrows are all on, and now we're going to move on to the really fun bit, which is the eyes. So today I'm not just going to be using one palette. I think it's probably going to be about 5 used, but mainly just because none of them all have the right type of shades that I'm after here. So essentially you're just going to need things that have yellow, green, blue and red in it. So as long as you got some of that, you should be able to follow with this pretty well, even if you don't have the exact same stuff, which I think is pretty good. So I'm going to first, I think, start off with my right eye. I'm just hoping that I'm doing this the right way round, because the way I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I feel like the emblem should be like Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, but I think it's actually the opposite way, because if you were looking at me, then it should be that way, I think, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to go with Gryffindor and Hufflepuff-esque colours and stuff on this side, and then I'm going to have Slytherin and Ravenclaw on this other eye, and hope that it's the right way around, and if it's not, well then you just have to do it in reverse if you repeat this. So let's start with Gryffindor. So I'm going to be using, first up, the EUN Bright colour palette from BB. This is really good. Like if you want like a decently priced rainbow palette. So I didn't get the matte one because I was a bit silly and I should have got the matte one, but I'm not actually that mad at myself. That I've got the one with shimmers in it, and it's a really good rainbow palette. So I mean, I probably could do this whole look almost with this, but I'm not going to do that because I want to use all my colours. But I'm going to go in with the Hot Stuff, the red, the red one there. But that's not the only red I'm going to be using, because I'm going to be using a bit of blood sugar in there as well. So I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to pop it right on the lid. Probably a bit messy. We're going for like bright, in your face sort of colours. Now I'm just kind of putting this in a strange sort of a almost flick here. But that's because underneath it I don't have yellow. So I'm just doing this for now. So I'm going to take my blood sugar palette and use a bit of cherry soda and prick here to just sort of give it a bit of a dimension, just give some extra colouring in there. So I'm just going to leave it like that for now, and I'm going to go underneath at the moment. So I'm going to be using, right now I'm going to go in with the Geographer palette and using Wow, the yellow colour here. And I'm just going to put that all underneath and sort of like, oh, whoopsie, I just got red everywhere. Wow. I had to fix that first. One moment. Okay, I'm back. I kind of fixed it. Whoops. So as I was saying, I'm going to go in with Wow from the Geographer palette, and I'm just going to go underneath and sort of match that, but underneath, if that makes sense. I'll show you. So I just sort of want to drag it almost like to where my eyebrow is sort of, like if my eyebrow line kept going, sort of trying to go down that way a little bit more. So I'm just going to try and make this as vibrant as I can. Why have I got red all on my fingers? I'm just going to resign to the fact that I'm probably just going to get marks everywhere and I'll have to redo my foundation, which makes sense why a lot of people do their foundation after their eyes. Maybe I'm going to have to start doing that in the future. So I'm going to go back in with some, I'm just going to get Prick from blood sugar, and I'm just going to kind of drag it out just a little bit, just kind of make it a bit funny looking, almost like a weird looking fish. And so that's basically how I'm going to leave that one for now, and we're going to go over to the other eye. So on top, we're going to do Slytherin, and down the bottom, it is Ravenclaw. So Slytherin, we're going to do it back into the EYN, the Bitty Grey one, and I'm going to go in with this green here, Granny Smith, because it is the closest that I've got. But actually, I probably will mix it in with a bit of sour from Geographer as well. So let's see how we go. So we're basically going to be replicating what we just did on this eye, but on this one with the other colours. So here we go. So that's the green kind of done. I'll come back and fix it. I just want to go in with some blue for Ravenclaw first. So I'm going to go use blue blood for this one. And bit to open it. And so I feel like the Ravenclaw one is quite hard to get the right blue, but also because you want to kind of match the rest of it, so it kind of looks all nice and neat. But I think I'm going to go in with blue blood. Might dip into I'm Cold and Deceased as well, just to kind of get a bit of a, I don't know, the right colour. Try and blend that out. I'm probably going to fix this with a bit of foundation so it doesn't look like I'm just trying to make my eye bags look really strange. I'll keep going in green. So I'm just going to kind of leave it like this for now. But don't worry, I'm going to clean it up later so it looks nicer. So we haven't quite finished up on the top because we haven't used all the house colours yet, have we now? No, we have not. So up here I'm going to add some gold, and up here I'm going to add some silver. So I'm going to be using in the Thirsty palette, yeah, our 5th palette, I don't know. Because these glitter colours here are amazing. They are fantastic. So to do that, I'm going to sort of cut the creases on the top and then put the right colours on top. So let's do that. So let's cut the crease. I've got some, I'm just using my foundation because I don't really have concealer at the moment. So there we go, I've kind of cut the crease. Now first I am going to try and use my brush to get the glitter up. But these ones are typically much better to use just your fingers and just pack it on. But we'll give it a go. So I'm going to go in with Lick, the kind of darker goldy colour. See what I can do. See, it kind of shows up, so I'm just going to use my finger and pack that on. And we are going to go over the top again with some red, but we'll just go over to the Slytherin side and use Divine the Silver. Yeah, so now I've got the glitters on. I'm just going to go back over and sort of blend these out a bit. As you can see, I didn't go quite all over here because I just want to make it a bit more of a blended line in between. I'm just going to sort of go over top. And then on the other side, just going with a bit more of the red that we used before. Yeah, so that's basically the top of the eyes done. Now on the bottom, I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Okay, so just kind of clean that up a little bit, just so it's a little bit more even on both sides. So now, just as we did on the top, we're going to have to put some glitter on the bottom so that we have the right amount of colours and we are properly representing the houses. So what I'm first going to do is the Ravenclaw side. So I'm going to need some bronzy colour. So I've got this bronze glitter, but I also have in the Thirsty palette this bronze glittery colour here, Plunge. So I might first try the Thirsty palette and see how we go, and then if that's not as glittery as I want it, I'll go in with some glitter. Almost just sort of twist it just to pick up some of the pigment and hope that this works. But if not, then we're going to go in with glitter. So I'm going to do 3 dots. Oh yeah, as you can see, probably not the best match. So I'm going to go in with my paw first and just put a bit of Q-tip in there, and then just do a couple of dots where I want to have some glitter. And then I'm going to get my little bronze glitter here and dip into it and go right on top like that. Maybe not the neatest dots, but they look pretty. Yeah, so I've got some black glitter and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So that's basically the basic eye makeup all done now, and I'm not going to do any eyeliner. I think I'm just going to leave it as is. So I might do a little bit of, I'm just going to go in with this sort of silvery shave Cullinan, I don't know, from the Bluebird palette, just in the corner here. Yeah, so that's all done. So now I'm just going to go in with some mascara. So I'm using the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, so just pop that on. And that's all the eyes all done. So let's finish this off. So we're going to go in with just a bit of contour. So we're going to go in with the Revolution Contour palette. And to finish the face stuff, we're just going to go in with some highlighter. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Strobe of Genius palette. My favourite highlighters are in here. Oh god. And I'm going to go in with this one mainly. As you can see, I've sort of broken it and a hit pen and all the rest of it. And I usually just tap into about all three of these. And last but not least, it's time to put on some lipstick. Now, I mean, you can go really super bold with this if you want, but I think that I want to just leave my eyes to be the statement attraction in this look. So I'm just going to go in with MAC Lipstick Well, so this sort of nudie brown type of colour, just so that all of the attention stays on my eyes where I want it to be. And that's basically the makeup look done, but to finish it off, I'm going to use some of my Urban Decay setting spray, and then I should be done. There's just something so satisfying about setting spray, or any sort of like spray that you're going to put on your face. Like, it could just be water and I'd be really happy. So there you have it. This is my Hogwarts inspired makeup look. So we are all ready to return to Hogwarts now. We can go back because we are looking fine. And there you go guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really had a lot of fun making it because as anything Harry Potter, I'm there. I love it. So I definitely think I'll do a couple more these type of things in the future. But yeah, so if you did like this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, you know, comment down below. Click subscribe while you're there, that'd be cool too. But until next time, I guess I'll see you guys later.